Tax refund. Well, if you've already filed your tax return, you're probably wondering when that refund is going to arrive. With bills to pay and financial plans to make, knowing when you'll get your money can make a big difference. Last year, the average refund was just over $3,000. And for many people, that's not just extra cash, it's money they're counting on. So, how long will it take this year? And what should you do if you're still waiting? Well, the IRS has already begun processing 2024 tax returns. And in most cases, refunds are issued within 21 calendar days if you filed electronically and chose direct deposit. If you filed a paper return, your wait could be much longer. It could be 4 weeks or more. To check your refund status, the best option is to use the Where's My Refund tool on irs.gov or the IRS 2Go mobile app. If you e-filed, your refund status should be available within 24 to 48 hours after submission. If you mailed in a paper return, it may take up to 4 weeks before it even appears in the system. The good news is that the IRS has upgraded its refund tracker tool, making it easier to understand where your refund is in the process. Instead of vague status updates like processing, you'll now see more detailed explanations about what stage your return is in. If there's an issue, the tool will notify you and let you know what steps you need to take. And if your refund is taking longer than expected, a few things could be slowing it down. The IRS cannot issue refunds for Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, or Additional Child Tax Credit, ACDC, recipients before mid-February due to federal law. If you claimed one of these credits, your refund should be available by March 3rd, assuming there are no issues. The Where's My Refund tool is expected to update with EITC and ACTC refund statuses by February 22nd. Another common reason for delays is errors or missing information on your tax return. If there's a discrepancy between your return and IRS records, the agency may flag it for manual review, which can add weeks or even months to your wait time. If you're concerned about a delay, double-check that the bank account information you provided is correct, that you reported all taxable income, and that there are no mismatches in personal details like social security numbers. If your refund has been approved but still hasn't arrived, keep in mind that bank processing times and federal holidays can also affect when you actually receive your money. Even if the IRS has released your refund, some banks take an extra 1 to 5 business days to process deposits. And for those who chose to receive a paper check, the wait is even longer. The Treasury Department warns that paper checks are 16 times more likely to be delayed, lost, or stolen compared to direct deposit. If it's been a while and your check still hasn't arrived, you may need to request a refund trace through the IRS. If you're still waiting and suspect something is wrong, there are a few steps you can take. First, check the Where's My Refund tool. This is the most up-to-date source for your refund status. If your return was filed more than 21 days ago for e-filers or 6 weeks ago for paper filers and the tool doesn't give you an update, you may need to contact the IRS directly. You can also call the automated refund hotline for updates. This year, the IRS has expanded its online and in-person support options to help taxpayers track their refunds. The IRS online account lets you see key details from your most recent tax return, track your refund, and even sign tax forms electronically. If you prefer speaking with someone, the IRS has added more staff to its taxpayer assistance centers for in-person help. So, if you're still waiting on your tax refund, remember to check the Where's My Refund tool for updates, stay patient if delays happen, and make sure your banking details are correct to avoid unnecessary issues. Most refunds arrive on time, but if yours is taking longer than expected, now you know what to do. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for updates so you never miss important tax tips.